Well, hello and welcome back, everyone. Those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Lily. For today's DIY challenge, we are going to be talking about dollar store projects. I'll be honest, I'm not crazy about dollar store projects. I feel like it's very hard to make them practical. I feel like if you're going to the dollar store, you either really need something or you don't. And to turn something that costs $1 into something that's very cute and trendy is very hard. But with all that in mind, I came up with 5 very cool DIY projects that I hope you guys will enjoy. Before I jump right in, if you guys haven't, seriously? Shoot. If you guys haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a DIY. Okay, let's jump right in.
For our first project, we'll be making these beautiful candle holders. To begin, you'll need some recycled lids from old jars. You'll also need some votives, gold spray paint, gold leaf with gilding adhesive, a brush, some glass candlestick holders, and a glue gun. To begin, start by attaching your lids to your candlestick holders. Use higher quality glue sticks. Believe it or not, it makes a huge difference in durability. Following that, give them a thin coat of gold spray paint. No need to do 2 coats since we'll be adding gold leaf. We just need a base coat of a similar color. Then, take your gilding adhesive and apply it to your candle holders. I got this one at Michael's in the Martha Stewart section. I purposely did a messy job on this since I wanted a more rustic effect. Before applying your gold leaf, let your adhesive set for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't worry about it over drying. It dries to a tacky finish. I actually used a blow dryer on a low setting to speed things up. Then, carefully one by one, apply your gold leaf sheets. I purchased my gold leaf on Amazon. I believe it was 100 sheets for $6, which is a steal for gold leaf. I'll go ahead and add a link down below for you guys. Once you're all done with attaching your gold leaf, use a brush to remove any excess gold leaf. Then, display your votives and some candles, and you should be done. Voila! For our second awesome DIY project, we will be making this beautiful recipe stand that transitions into a chalkboard. To begin, cut 2 20-degree triangles. We used our miter saw to do this. Then we cut a small panel and a base to attach it to. To assemble your stand, you will need a heavy-duty hot glue gun and an old candlestick holder, a clipboard clip, some flat black spray paint, a drill, and an optional handle. To begin, start by attaching your triangle to the back side of your panel. Then give your stand and candle holder a good coat of paint. Following that, use your drill to drill holes in the stand for your handles. Once your handles fit smoothly, use hot glue to secure it additionally. Attach your clipboard clip and apply a good amount of hot glue to your candle holder. To finish it off, attach your ready-built stand to your candlestick, and that's it. Let's see how this beauty looks. Okay, for this third project, this is probably my favorite one out of the 5 because it is so cool and rustic. We'll be making this awesome and beautiful rustic 3-tiered cupcake stand. You'll need some wood slabs for this. We ended up actually cutting down a tree in our backyard and gave our chainsaw a try. Believe it or not, it actually turned out perfect. I was a little in doubt about the whole chainsaw idea, but it worked. If you don't have an old tree in your backyard, Michael's and Hobby Lobby carry similar wood slabs. To prep my wood, I simply gave it a light sand. Once my wood slabs were ready, I pulled out my heavy-duty glue gun and some glass candle holders. Then I applied a nice coat of glue to the bottom. For those of you wondering if hot glue is strong enough for this project, make sure and use high-quality glue sticks because it does make a huge difference. I think I said that already. Anyways, attach your candle holders to your wood slabs in 2 layers and add a wood slab on top. And of course, don't forget to make the cupcakes. DIY project, we are making these super cute gold frames. To begin, you'll need 2 frames, one measuring bigger than the other. I had one 4 by 6 inches and one 5 by 7. You'll also need a glue gun, some candle holders, a brush, some photo prints, a wooden dowel, and some gold spray paint and gold leaf with adhesive. To start off, start by spray painting your candle holders gold. Once dry, apply your gilding adhesive on both your frames and candle holder. This doesn't need to be perfect. The messier job you do, the more rustic they'll look. Following that, let your gilding adhesive set for about 10 to 15 minutes and start applying your gold leaf. Once you're done applying your gold leaf, use a soft brush to remove any excess gold leaf. Then attach your dowel to the inside of your candle holder with your glue gun. Fill up the hole with a bit more glue for added security. Then add a strip of glue to the front of your candle holder and attach your photo frame to finish it off, and add some more glue to your dowel and secure it to your photo frame in the back. And that's it for these gold beauties. Let's see how they look. For our 5th and final project, we'll be making this lovely upcycled plant stand from an old candle holder. You'll need a paper, a piece of round wood for the tabletop, a pen, a drill, a screw, and some paint. To begin, start by tracing the top of your candle holder onto a piece of paper. Cut your circle out and fold it twice to create a triangle. Snip the pointed corner of your folded triangle and use it to mark the center of your candle holder. Following that, make a hole in your round wood and align the hole with the pen mark on your candle holder. You can pre-drill a hole in your candle holder if you'd like. It might make this step easier. Once you have your 2 dots aligned, use your drill and screw to secure it all together. You can add glue around the bottom for additional support if you'd like. To finish it off, give your plant stand an even coat of paint and you should be ready to display your plants. I went with the color white. Let's see how this looks.
That's it for this DIY challenge. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did. I love that it was quite a challenge to turn dollar store items into trendy items. I have the gold leaf in my living room right there and I love it. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a DIY because I have many more to come. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. I hope to see you guys next time. That's it for today. Bye.